guys, welcome back to Haley. I'm Haley from How to Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make puffy paint. So what you're going to need for this puffy paint is Elmer's glue. You don't have to use the gallon kind. You can use the little squeeze bottles. Shaving foam. I got this from the dollar store. You can just run to the dollar store. You can use any kind of food coloring. You want a spoon, like you can use a big spoon, paper to put the puff paint on, and a big bowl if you're gonna make a big batch. You can just use a small one, but I don't know how much I'm gonna make, so I'm just gonna use a big bowl. All right, let's get started. So what you're gonna do, this is not slime, so I don't think it's slime. Couldn't get the cap open. So you're just gonna make how much you want. We're gonna start with a little bit for now, and then if I like it, then we can add more. You just gotta figure out how much we want, because if you don't like it, then there's no reason to make a big, huge batch. So if you know you like it, then alright, so you're just gonna squeeze and shake this up a little bit. Always want to shake it so much, so shake it foamy. Sorry if you guys couldn't hear me. You always want to shake it up so it could be foamy. So it's always foamy. Then we're gonna see if that's like fluffy enough. White icing. It should look like fluffy icing. You need to get more of this stuff, because I make slime a lot. I do stuff with shaving foam a lot. I have my own little shaving foam bottle. Okay, so it should look something like that. So like you want it to look something like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add any kind of food coloring you want. This is the neon one. It could be regular. I'm gonna make this into different ones, but so they're gonna be like in different batches. So yeah, I'm gonna add some blue food coloring to my mixture. You can add any kind you want, like any color you want. You can do the same kind as me. You can use a few drops of food coloring to make a light blue. You could add like a few to make, like you can add a lot to make a dark blue. Whatever color you want. This is a sky blue. Here, I'll show you guys my sky blue mixture that I have. There's that. You can also make, like, I've seen people do, like, mix different colors to make, like, purple, like, say, because I don't have purple. I can make, like, this pink and this blue. You just have to add a lot of each, because it's not red, because red and blue makes purple, but if you want a violet, you can probably make it with that. I'm gonna add like a drop more, so like, yeah. So you can do that. You can add however much you want. Just know that you're gonna need to like want to know how much.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, not too bad. Getting stuff figured out.
But yeah. so that's how you make it. Now you can just make
No, I'm
different,
getting some stuff figured out.
can make different batches and put them on the paper.
Scorecard?
Alright, so that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you always know when I put a new video. Bye guys!